This section examines carburetted intake systems. On a carburetted engine, the intake system is part of the fuel system. The main function of the intake system on a petrol engine is the delivery of the required amount of the mixture of air and fuel. In a basic system, air enters the air cleaner for filtering, then passes into the carburetor, where it mixes with the required amount of fuel. This air-fuel mixture then enters the intake manifold and finally the cylinder. The same basic principle applies on the rotary engine. On all carburetted systems, the intake system can be crucial in increasing engine output. This can be done by increasing volumetric efficiency, that is, by increasing the amount of air that enters the cylinders. This can be achieved by using a large inlet valve or multiple valves to admit more charge into the combustion chamber. By using large free-flowing intake manifolds, by using extra carburetors.